Welcome back to Bryner Tech. Today we are taking a look and doing an unboxing of the AIRVOOC 50 watt Oneplus wireless charger. What makes this Oneplus charger so much better than the rest is the 50 watts. It is faster than any other smartphone on the whole market in America. So on the box we have wireless effortlessly. Max 50 watt wireless AIRVOOC charge. It works with third-party 65 watt and above power delivery certified adapters. Instant charging any way you want it. You can have the phone either vertically or horizontally. And it also has a silent nighttime mode. So that way the fans, because there are fans in this wireless charger, the fans won't kick up really high while you're trying to sleep. You can adjust the settings on OnePlus phones to adapt to this. But it does have a turbine air cooling if you want the max speed that you could possibly support. And it also has multiple sensors both in this and in certain OnePlus phones to ensure that it is safe, it doesn't get very hot, as well as it's charging as quickly as possible. So this is just a side note, but this is a pretty massive box. I'm pretty surprised on how big this box actually is, just in comparison to the phone box, which is a decent box because it has the charger, cables, the phone, stickers, pamphlets, you name it, a full-fledged OnePlus phone box. But this is quite a bit larger. So I have not opened this yet, so we're going to just cut the film and just tear this plastic off. Okay, so the box actually opens up vertically, which is different than I actually expected it to. Okay, and that's why, because it has this cute little presentation. So it does say never settle, OnePlus's slogan, AIRVOOC, which is their proprietary. It is also for Oppo phones, I do believe. Okay, USB-C on the back. Definitely see there is either a speaker or a fan. I think that's a fan. Two little rubber stop pedestal style. And here is the OnePlus 12, just for reference. And then we will also plug it in just to see how it is. Okay, little pamphlets. And that's nice of them that they actually did include what seems to be a pretty long OnePlus red cable. So now we have it plugged in directly to the included power brick that came with the OnePlus 12, which is an 80 watt power brick, at least here in the United States. Globally, it's 100 watt, but I don't think it makes a difference for this, considering it's a 50 watt wireless charger. But it's just plugged in the back. We'll throw the OnePlus 12 on. It has a LED indicator light right here. Okay, and it is charging. So if you look closely in the top section, it's actually blue and has a little symbol in there. See if I can zoom in. Yeah, so it has a little blue symbol letting us know that it is wirelessly charging. Looking at the lock screen, we can also see that it says AIRVOOC charging. It's currently at 64%. What makes this so remarkable is this is actually faster charging than the leading flagships on the market wirelessly than their phones wired. 50 watts is insane considering the fact that you can charge from 0 to 100% in less than an hour with this phone. If you guys are wondering about the pen in the background, this is a OnePlus pen that was actually given as a gift when I ordered on the OnePlus website. They claim it's a $10 value. I'm not so sure about that, but it's kind of nice just to have a gift of some sort. Just a regular ballpoint pen, OnePlus branding. And then on the side, it actually says, if I can get it to focus. On this side, it says Senator Germany. And on the other side, it says biodegradable. So it's just a little cool, little red click style pen. Just thought I'd mention it, that OnePlus gave me this when I ordered for free. Last thing, just before I wrap up this video, we're also going to put it horizontally just to see where it connects. And sure enough, there's the animation. 70% AIRVOOC already. So I don't remember, it was 60-something% before, but even in just a couple minutes, if not even that, it's already at 70% now. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is just a quick video. Something to also note is currently I can definitely hear and feel a breeze up at the top. So do keep that in mind. This is not going to be a silent, super silent wireless charger. But I do believe in the settings of the OnePlus phones, you can adjust it so it does have the quiet mode for when you're trying to sleep. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.